Adisham Bungalow, located in Haputal, Sri Lanka, is a historic mansion built in 1931 by Sir Thomas Villiers, a British planter. It is now a Benedictine monastery and houses a relic of Saint Sylvester, making it a significant religious site for Christians. The bungalow features a chapel, serene gardens, and breathtaking views, offering visitors a peaceful and spiritual retreat. It preserves its original Tudor and Jacobean-style architecture and serves as a place for meditation and reflection. Currently maintained by the Roman Catholic Church, Adisham preserves its period furniture and fittings, providing guided tours for visitors.